If you're feeling burned out, you don't need another tactic. You need momentum. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build unstoppable momentum so you can reignite your business, restore your energy, and finally feel excited again. Here's the problem. Most business owners don't lose because they don't know what to do or they aren't committed. They lose because their energy runs out, the passion fades, the goals stop inspiring, and the daily grind turns into firefighting. When your energy is gone, no number of tactics will save you. It's like pushing a car with the parking brake still on. You're working hard, but you're not getting anywhere. That's why the first element of my breakthrough business framework is unstoppable momentum. Momentum isn't about pushing harder. It's about aligning three things: a compelling vision that pulls you forward, game-changing goals that stretch and excite, and exciting missions that create traction in the short term. When those three click, you don't need more willpower. You're pulled by something bigger. As Jim Rohn once said, when the promise is clear, the price is easy. Let me give you a real example. I was recently working with a client who came to me scattered and drained. She was busy every day, but it wasn't creating any traction. She told me she felt like she was drifting, and honestly, she didn't know what to focus on anymore. The turning point came when we reconnected her with her vision, why she was building the business in the first place. From there, she set game-changing goals to stabilize her income and her growth. And then we broke down those goals into clear, quarterly missions. Those missions were daily connections with past clients, tightening her execution, and running in 6-week cycles. With that structure in place, something clicked. Her energy came back. She had a renewed sense of excitement because she could actually see the progress stacking week by week. The missions gave her momentum and confidence, and that scattered, drifting feeling, well, it disappeared. That's the power of unstoppable momentum. When you realign your vision, your goals, and your missions, the energy returns, and you finally feel pulled forward instead of pushed down. When you build unstoppable momentum, burnout turns into energy, drift turns into direction, and exhaustion turns into excitement. Momentum doesn't just keep you moving, it makes the right opportunities inevitable. That's why it's the foundation of the breakthrough business. If you're drifting, lacking energy, or just plain burnout, here's what you need to do next. First, assess your business and yourself using the Business Breakthrough Scorecard. It takes just 3 minutes, and it'll instantly show you your biggest growth block and where to go to work next. Most owners say the clarity they get from that tool is more powerful than any book they've read this year. Then, after you've done the scorecard, watch the Business Breakthrough Framework video. That's where I walk you through the entire framework so you can see exactly how all the pieces fit together and what to do next. I'll link to both in the description below. You don't have to keep grinding in a state of burnout. With unstoppable momentum, your breakthrough isn't just possible, it's closer than you think. Download the scorecard and watch the video today. Here's to playing a bigger game.